Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a power hour. We are in the process of finishing up our kitchen. I know in my previous videos I talked about painting my cabinets white. I am excited to show those to you, but we decided to put up a backsplash, so my reveal is a little delayed. It's going to be this week for sure. I had to get a new toaster. My other one was really messed up, so I am going to now put the old one in the box and do away with it in the garage. Now I am going to start putting away some items in the pantry. This is a tea that was sent to me. I am going to try it. They have all kinds of different blends for any type of lifestyle, so I will definitely let you know my honest opinion. Am I the only mom that finds dirty socks on your dining room table? Noah has been playing with his Play-Doh and kinetic sand every single day, so if you're looking for some sort of activity to entertain a very busy toddler, I highly recommend both. Did you guys hear that? That was Noah yelling at me, telling me he was not a toddler, he is Noah. I am lighting this amazing candle from Bath & Body Works. It is Midnight Blue Citrus and it smells awesome. And honestly, I love the glass it's in. I am going to be saving it for sure. I had to do a lot of work on this dining room table because it has been our catch-all, so I had to focus on this for a very long time.
There was nobody there, like you loved nobody else. Yeah, I wish I could turn the time back.
I've been using my vacuum to get up any of the sand and Play-Doh pieces. Also, when I was painting my cabinets, I did not lay anything down to protect my table or anything actually, because I am a lazy painter, I'll admit it. So I am going to spray the Windex on here, and you see I am scraping up some of the paint that I left on my table.
Find out, the better I can get by, but I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it, how to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it, how to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it, how to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore.
I'm going to go ahead and start a load of laundry like I usually do in all my videos. As you guys know, I have a large family and we really need to do a load a day.
Hello emotions, hello again. Is every ocean come as rain?
I am loving the Purex the most right now. What is your favorite detergent? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always interested in hearing what other people use.
Oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free.
Now onto my office. This has also been a catch-all. I am putting away some of the bins that are in here. We also got a new printer because my other one broke. So I was trying to set that up, and I'm going to need to break down the box and take the new Little Bissell spot cleaner into the garage. I have yet to use this. As you see, it's still in the box, but as soon as I do, I will let you guys know what I think about it. I'm really excited. Obviously, I purchased this with my own money, but I'd love to give you my honest opinion. I'm now going to take these boxes in the garage. I need to flatten them down. Our recycling company does not take plastic bags or cardboard boxes that aren't flattened, so this must be done.
Hello, my heart beats, hello again. Between the worries, we head for land. I will be fighting to hold the line. We're never hiding, we never lie. And I'll be coming home, and you'll be going strong.
I am now going to clear out the backpacks of the boys. We have not done this since they started their winter break, so I'm going to do this before we start back school.
Now we're ready to be home. Yeah, ready to be home. And I'll be coming home.
Now on to the playroom. I did not want the kids to help me clean. You'll hear me say that a lot. Honestly, as long as they're playing with something else, I am fine cleaning this up. This is the pie in the face game, and I noticed it needed to be washed.
And I'll be coming home.
I think it is time to do another playroom purge. Would you guys like to see that on my channel? And also, have you guys done a playroom purge or toy purge since Christmas? Let me know in the comments below.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
I'm thinking about spraying the white plastic bins there gold. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. I'm trying to make this room look a little more cohesive. It just is a catch-all, and I want it to look nice. This is a bin that the kids threw their overnight clothes in when they got home from my mom's. They had spent the night there, and so I'm going to put those in the dirty clothes and then put the rest of the items in the garage. There is the mirror I did in last week's Craft With Me. You guys, I just don't think I love it. I'm going to sand it down. Ugh, I'm so disappointed.
Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself. So I
am going to clean off the bar area here. We have eaten out too much, you guys, with the kitchen being under construction. I am so over it. So I am going to clean up all of this from today's lunch, and you see Noah being silly. I am asking him to help me take some stuff away, and he is protesting. He eventually does it though. I will say that he has been listening so much better since Mommy has been meaning her nose. There is the massage chair I got for Christmas, you guys. I put it in my Amazon store, or one similar to it. I could not find the exact one. If you want the actual model number, let me know. It is amazing. It's better than any one I have ever sat in, including the Homedics ones. Okay guys, I hope you got some serious cleaning motivation from today's video. I got a lot done in an hour. My house looks and feels so much better. If you haven't been told today, you are doing an amazing job. I want to do that. I know how mothering can be such a selfless job. So I just wanted to tell you, you're doing a great job. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.
I will find the light in your soul.